The Sicilian defense is a chess opening. To start, white moves the king pawn to squares. Black responds by moving c pawn to squares. This is Sicilian defense. In the Sicilian defense, black moves this pawn here. Black gets strong control of the d4 square. And if white puts his pawn on d4, black can exchange a wing pawn for a center one. There are four main responses to Sicilian: the Najdorf variation, the Dragon variation, the classical variation, and Scheveningen variation. The idea of Najdorf is to control this square, to prevent bishop from coming here and attack our king. After this square is controlled, black wants to advance this pawn to force white to move the knight and gain more control in the center. In the Sicilian Dragon, black puts his bishop here, so it controls the longest diagonal on the board and attack white queenside. So when white castle queenside, black can attack on that flank. The classical Sicilian leads to imbalanced games. Black develops this knight early and uses it to pressure the center. Then black can swing his queen over. To further pressure this center, white will usually place his bishop here and try to exchange his bishop for this knight to double black's pawn. In the Scheveningen, black puts this pawn here to control these squares and also set up a flexible pawn structure. So black can later advance either this pawn or this pawn forward.